Alright, you guys, it's the time we've all been waiting for. It's time to get tuned. So, I got my 8-tune bass map there. This is what I have to do. And no VTech for now. But we'll go ahead and load this up to the Flash Pro. There it is. Nice and loaded. So we're going to go ahead and load this bass map to the car, do some data logging, send it back to my tuner. I'll link all his description below. Let him know George sent you. Get the fat discount. And go from there. Alright, so here I am in the car. Go ahead and load the calibration or bass map. There, it's off. I love this part. Yeah. Alright, and she's set. Let's go ahead and start her up. We'll let it get to temperature. Alright, she's at temperature. Let's go ahead and take her out. Yeah. Fuck. Set up an alarm. Shh. Stupid car. Alright, and we're just going to do some city driving. Let's go ahead and hit data log so we can just log everything. And we'll do just normal driving. He said he wants high load under low revs, so we'll do that as well. Open throttle all the way. Low RPMs. Alright, we're about to hop on the freeway right now. Limiter's only to 6K right now. No VTech. Hooked up to the Flash Pro via Bluetooth right now. Getting all these live calibrations. Pretty dope. Give it some wide open throttle pulls. 6 gear. He wants some low RPM, wide open throttle. And I just want to give him as much data as possible. About 12. It feels strong. It feels hella good. That air-fuel ratio though. Sheesh. That's what I want across the board, please. Alright, so what I have done to the car is I have full race exhaust, long tube headers, DNA Racing. Long tube headers, catless, full race exhaust. I have my RBC bored out to 67 millimeters. I have the J35 with the J35 throttle body spacer. K&N, open throttle. It's just the mass airflow sensor housing, and I have a K&N strapped to it. I do have a cold air intake hybrid in the way. but everything's in back order due to Corona. So I won't get that until late September. We're barely in August 2020. So we're just data logging. Shit. Just making it happen. Get her nice and tuned, ready to go. Yeah. Alright, and this is where I'm gonna finish my data log here. There it is. Because we're gonna do a data log for third gear pull right now, getting off the freeway. And he said to do this in a good location where you're gonna be able to do it all the time, so you always have a nice accurate calibration or area where you're going to do this. So I'm out here by my parents' house out in the cuts, and we're gonna do a little third gear pull right now. I think up to 3,000 RPM. So I'm gonna go ahead and set myself. 2, 3. So now let's set to 3,000s. Then we'll open her up all the way to red light. Data log. Alright, here we go again. Oh, I didn't do it right. Damn. That dude fucked me up. Alright. Data log on. Perfect. Try this one more time. I want to make sure I get my money's worth. So we're gonna go ahead and hit data log. And we'll finish her off. Call it a wrap. Let's go home, upload it to the tuner, and wait for the next calibration to come in. Alright, so I'm back home. Here's the Flash Pro, connect to the laptop. We're gonna go into data log, and here are all my data logs, and I'm gonna download all of them so that way I could send it to him. So I'm gonna select all of them. Then I'm going to hit download, and it's downloading them. Alright, there it is. And here's our data log in the back. Alright, we want to save this as, and we'll do the first one there. Hit enter. Sweet. Alright, and there's my data logs. This one, the 01, I think that's the one where I messed up, where that was on my ass. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete that one, because you could tell these are all like the same. So these are the third gear pulls, and then the top ones are the freeway and city driving. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload these to the tuner and just wait patiently till we receive the next one. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.